how's it going, Heavy Metal and Booze? This is Sean, and tonight we're going down under with King Parrot.
Not New Zealand, Australia.
Yeah.
Someone just welcomed me to Chicago before and said, "You're from New Zealand?"
No, Australia.
That's us. And I'm such a mate.
How's it going, man? Good?
Yeah, good, thanks, man. Good.
Tour's going good?
Been fantastic, yeah.
On tour now with Philip H. Anselmo and the Illegals.
Yeah, it's been great. A lot of fun.
So has he been waking you up in the morning or what?
Yeah.
I see on Instagram he's like, eat cheese, and you're in bed still or what?
Yeah, so the deal is there's 10 of us on a 9-bunk bus, so...
oh, no.
It's fine, it actually works out great for me. I get the whole back lounge room, which is, that's Phil and I, that's our space.
Okay.
Because we're clearly the talent of both bands. So, you know, we get our own private space. So Phil wakes
it earlier night, sir?
Yeah, Phil wakes me up in the morning, brings me tea, you know, finishes with a hand job. It's great.
Can't beat that. And the other guys don't even want to know what they're doing.
Fucking jerking off, thinking about me getting jerked off, I suppose.
I guess so. So tonight will be my third time seeing you guys.
Really? Yeah, right. So the last time was at in Joliet?
Yeah, Super Joint Ritual.
Yes, yep.
So you guys must be really good with Phil then, huh? Because he picks you guys.
Well, yeah. So we're out through House Call Records, Phil's record label.
Right here.
There you go.
We owe you nothing.
Nah. Well, we probably owe him some. But yeah, we met Phil going back maybe 3 or 4 years ago now, out in Australia, and yeah, since then he's produced one of our albums, and we've toured with Down and Superjoint, and now the Illegals.
Oh yeah, sweet.
Yeah.
So if you've never seen King Parrot before, I can tell you, you're probably gonna have a good time.
I'd like to think so.
Or you might just get a bottle of water in the face.
You might get a bottle of water in the face. That might cause a bad time.
Yeah.
You might have a good time, but we hope at least you'll have a laugh and enjoy the music.
Yeah. Now, if you're headbanging and thrashing around, you might still get a bottle of water in the face.
Yeah. There's no guarantees.
There's no guarantees. It's gonna fly everywhere.
I mean, we demand participation, but if we do what we say, there's still no guarantees.
And if not, you will jump in the pit with your bass.
Yeah. It'll happen. we do what it takes.
Yeah.
To rise.
Now, where did you get that bass, man? You got like an old school, like Rickenbacker, like.
Well, it's old, but it's not as old as one might think. It's like
it just has the look. Huh?
Well, it's just been beaten up like my opinion is that a builder doesn't go home with a clean hammer, you know. So my bass gets played hard and it gets put away wet.
And where did you find? It's like the Cliff Burton style.
Yeah, it's a 4003S, and I think it's a 93. But I bought it in Australia, second hand from someone else. I had no money, and I scraped together everything I could to buy it. And I have other guitars, but that's my baby, and it goes with me everywhere. But yeah, it's like a remake of a 63. And I love this, like, if you're a bass aficionado and you love Rickenbackers, the 4003S, it's S for special, but it's actually the least special Rickenbacker you can get, because a Rickenbacker has the Ricky Sound pickup, which is 2 pickups. It has a beautiful inlay around the outside. It has like special inlays on the fretboards, whereas the 4003S has none of that. It just has 1 pickup. It has no trim. It has dot inlays. So really the S is for special, like as in maybe like special class for the not so well developed. So it suits perfectly for me. Yeah, I'm the special cousin.
Choosing mental illness is a virtue.
There you go. Yeah, well I did.
with your Fender.
You mentioned Cliff. 32 years today.
Yep, today it's been 32 years since we lost Cliff Burton.
Well,
and yours is even burgundy too, right?
No, flat. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, I didn't realise that, but where I grew up, we had a handshake.
No way.
For Cliff, yeah. I can teach too.
Oh, okay.
It was fucking Cliff.
All right, now we know it.
Yeah, there you go.
I thought you were about to say I gave him a handshake and you have a story.
No, I wish. No. Just like when I was about 13, 14 years old, growing up in country Victoria, Australia, we all fucking love Cliff. So,
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Was that a big inspiration for you then to start playing?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. I mean, and in particular, I guess to play Rickenbackers for sure. Him and Lemmy.
Lemmy.
But yeah, I do think that they are the coolest.
Lemmy's God.
They are the coolest guitars bass guitars that you can buy. They sound cool, and for a lot of reasons, I guess a lot of people don't play them. So they're not your everyday guitar. Yeah.
So, listen, what do you think of these flat earthers that say Australia doesn't really exist? That's all government bullshit.
Yeah, well, fuck, they're actually absolutely right. They just reel us out of the fucking warehouse every couple of years, just to.
I knew it. So it's true.
Yeah, no, we don't exist. I'm powered up by battery. They just switch me off and put me fucking back in the
and beer too.
Yeah.
Batteries and beers.
That's the fuel.
Okay.
They look like batteries.
Yeah, so we cleared that up. One more.
Triple alcoholic batteries.
Yeah. Now, when you're down under and you flush the toilets,
absolutely.
You heard this one?
Yeah.
Which way does it swirl?
It does. It goes the other
Counter?
way. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. But do you know that?
I thought it was just an urban legend.
Yeah. No, your American shitters are completely fucked.
But look at the size of our beers.
Yeah, I know. So you win on that front. Absolutely, you win. Although we have bottles of beer that are actually this big.
A bottle.
Yeah.
But it tastes like piss, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I do.
I love it.
Would you like Foster's?
Oh no, we send that shit up here.
Or Zima?
we send Foster's over here because we don't drink the shit. We drink Melbourne Bitter and Victoria Bitter. Both very good beers, but essentially piss water. Yeah.
Victoria gives me bad hangovers.
Oh really? You drunk Victoria Bitter?
Victoria, bad hangovers.
Well, there you go. Right. No, it's a great beer we love. But what was I going to say about the toilets? Yeah. So America's toilets. Your toilets actually fill with water. So you sit down and
right.
shit, and your balls are pretty much hanging this far away from the water. Or depending on how big your balls are, I suppose they can actually fucking dip in. But our toilets just have a small amount of water that you shit into, and then it flushes away.
But you make an island.
Yeah. Well, no, I mean, no. Although European toilets, they actually have a shelf. I don't get that. That sits above the water, so you shit into the shelf, and then it washes in. Anyway, your shit is fucked. That's all I'm saying. But your beer's good.
Okay, well, we're 1 for 1.
Always room for improvement.
Cover Ugly Produce.
What's that?
Ugly Produce. You know the album? Ugly Produce.
Oh, tell us about the new album.
Okay, you're right. So Ugly Produce, we actually brought it out, it came out at the end of last year. So actually this is our second time around the States promoting that album.
Ugly Produce.
Ugly Produce, yeah.
We'll make sure we get that in.
So, I think it's a perfectly named album. Ugly Produce is the produce the supermarkets now don't want to sell because people want to buy perfect shit all the time. But Ugly Produce is the apple that might fucking have a bruise on it or whatever. So, I mean, you look at the 5 of us as a band, we are fucking Ugly Produce. But hopefully someone will eat us.
Got it. Now the name King Parrot, is that some kind of like a myth from the outback or something? Where does the name come from?
Well, King Parrot is an Australian bird, but in Australia we call someone a parrot because they never shut the fuck up.
Because they're always like...
Yeah, constantly fucking talking shit. King Parrot, we're basically the kings of talking shit.
You own it?
Yeah, we talk a lot of shit and never shut the fuck up. So basically we're everyone else's boss.
Oh, good. So you're the King Parrots.
Fuck it.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Good.
We're pretty much at the end of that album cycle now, so we're writing at the moment. We will be back at Phil's studio, I think, in about a week. And we'll be demoing some new stuff.
Wow, you're not wasting any time at all, huh? You're writing on the road.
Well, we haven't really been, but we've got time in the studio.
In between the hand jobs and the wake-up calls.
Yeah, exactly, but back in the studio in Louisiana. We'll demo up a few more songs and be looking at hopefully a new album next year.
Yeah, maybe you guys can come play open air in Chicago.
Fuck, we love playing out in the open. We're parrots.
Yeah. I mean, you're really getting that good.
Yeah,
I mean, you'll be way off stage.
bring it on.
All right, we look forward to hearing that. You got anything else, Kevin? All right, man. Thanks a lot for giving us a couple minutes.
Thanks again to Beers and Booze.
Yeah, good to